Hey everyone, I've got some absolutely incredible news that's going to make your day and potentially save millions of lives. Scientists at West Virginia University just achieved something that sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now and it's going to change healthcare forever. Picture this, you're living in a rural area, maybe hours away from the nearest cardiologist. You've been feeling tired, maybe a bit short of breath, but you brush it off as getting older. What if I told you that AI could now detect early signs of heart failure before you even know something's wrong? That's exactly what West Virginia University scientists have accomplished. They've developed AI models that can identify signs of heart failure in ways we never thought possible. And here's the beautiful part. This isn't just for big city hospitals with fancy equipment. This technology is specifically designed to help rural patients who often have the hardest times accessing specialized cardiac care. Let me put this in perspective for you. Heart failure affects over 6 million Americans, and it's one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Here's the thing, early detection can literally be the difference between life and death. The earlier we catch it, the more we can do about it. Think about your grandparents, your parents, your friends, or even maybe yourself. Rural communities have been underserved for decades when it comes to specialized healthcare. People have to drive for hours just to see cardiologists, often when it's already too late for the best outcomes. But now we're talking about AI that can work alongside your local doctor, your family physician to catch these signs early. It's like having a world-class cardiologist's expertise available in every small town clinic. And this is just the beginning. This breakthrough is part of a massive wave of AI innovation in healthcare. We're seeing AI detect everything from early-stage cancers to neurological conditions. The technology that seemed impossible just a few years ago is now becoming reality. What excites me the most is the democratization of healthcare expertise. AI isn't replacing doctors, it's making every doctor better, more capable, more equipped to save lives. It's leveling the playing field between rural and urban healthcare. And what this really means is that we're entering an era where your zip code doesn't determine the quality of healthcare you receive, where early detection becomes the norm, not the exception, where AI becomes our partner in creating a healthier world for everyone. The researchers at West Virginia University aren't just developing technology, they're literally saving future lives, people who don't know that they need help yet. This is why I'm so passionate about AI. It's not just about cool tech or productivity hacks. It's about real people, real lives, real hope for a better future. If this story inspired you as much as it inspired me, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear some good news today. And hey, if you're working on similar breakthrough projects, drop a comment. I'd love to hear about it. The future of healthcare is looking brighter than ever, and we're all here to witness it unfold.